This is the Tesla Frunk cooler for the Tesla Model Y. I picked this up, we just went on a road trip and we used it. Long trip. I think it was in there for about 16 hours, kept everything really nice and cold. It's a really great item. But we'll just see on the side right here, this fits exactly in the front area. You could see it is curved right here, so it's not just like a traditional cooler. This is made exactly for the Model Y. This area is really cool right here too. It opens up so you could have easy access right here. But let's just open up. It's got these handles on the side here that like lock it in. And it just has a really nice seal on it. You can see here, it comes totally off like that. So you can see it just separates from the top. And this is what I use inside here. These are the two ice packs that it came with. They worked really well. And this is just a different ice pack. But all three of these fit in the bottom here. I didn't use any ice or anything like that. This kept it very cold. It does have that draining thing right there. So you could drain it if you put ice in there. I think this cooler weighs about 14 pounds, so when it's full, it does hold a lot of stuff here, so it does get a little bit heavy, but it is very easy to carry and move around. And again, I really like how it just seals up like this, and that's pretty much it. So next I'll put it inside the front, and you can see what it looks like. And this is it here. This is inside the front area. You can see it is a tight fit. It fits in here perfectly. It doesn't really move around. And like, again, you have easy access right here. It just, again, it is contoured in the back right there to fit in here nicely. But overall, I'm very pleased with this. Like I said, we used it on a road trip. Everything stayed really cold. Highly recommend picking one of these up if you have a Model Y.